Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take you on a preview of our new house that we're building, and the framing's been almost completed. So come on in, we'll show you around. Here's the front porches to start with. You can see we're having a double front porch. It goes 2 full stories, very Charleston-ish. And if you want to come in, the double wide doors will open up. And on the right side coming in, you'll have Holly's office. She always gets the best. And then on the left side, it has a dining room with celestial windows. They're up a little bit higher because there's a neighbor there and that sort of thing. If you're coming in, closet, stairwell going up, entry bathroom is that where that's going to be. So you have a bathroom there. This is going to be the living room with fireplace, big double windows, or big windows on each side. And you'll see on this side is where the kitchen is, and you can see that there'll be a giant island here. This is the plumbing for the giant island, and butler's pantry, and or butler's area and walk-in pantry over here. So that's really the first floor coming in. You'll have a mudroom over here, and then you'll have basically a breakfast area, dining area where you can have breakfast and things like that as a family, and then screened-in porch off the back of the property, which is my favorite part because the back of the property backs to woods and you'll see nothing. There is neighbors on each side, but the back of the property is really kind of nice for that. So then going to the second floor, we're going to go up to there quick. Let's hustle so this video is not super long. Going up to the second floor, you're coming up to a bathroom. So this will be a bathroom, this whole length here. So tub closet, and then toilet and things like that. And then on this side, we're going to have what's going to be a photo or video place where we do video work. Extra, it's more of an extra bedroom, if you will, for guests. This will be my office on this side, so that's really it on this side. Coming into here, this is, I don't know what this is. What is this? Laundry. That's laundry. Yeah, thank you. The laundry is on this side. Master bedroom is here with bathroom on this side, which will have a tub and a shower, separate, things like that. There's a walk-in closet that's over in this corner. That's the toilet area. Walk-in closet, one walk-in closet there. There's a second walk-in closet in the bedroom on this side. That's more of a rectangle shape. So this will be another walk-in closet on this side. So that's really kind of nice. Let's go to the third floor. So going up to the third floor, another couple nice little landings here. This will be Game Central. This is my son who likes to game a lot. This will be his bedroom. So he'll have a nice window that overlooks woods and stuff in the distance. This is really kind of nice. It's the third floor of the space. He'll have, there'll be a closet that's right here with some storage in the very back there. This will be a bathroom. So tub, shower, toilet, things like that. So it'll be in here. So that's really the main house. So at this point, there's really not a lot we're really taking pictures of or things like that because we're not too electrical, we're not too plumbing. Those are when we start taking pictures of things so we know where everything kind of runs. So when we want to add things, we can add it without hitting things or that sort of thing. We also will start taking pictures of the ceiling downstairs because we want to do more with the ceiling, like do some shiplapping, maybe do some beams, maybe do some, what do they call those? Come on, video helper.
Coffered ceiling.
Coffered ceilings. We're thinking of doing coffered ceilings in here because we really love the look. And we might do it in this entire area, coffered ceilings.
And we can do it ourselves.
We think we can do it ourselves.
Yes.
We think we can do
Yes.
it. Confidence is at a high.
Yes.
Skill level is still to be determined.
Yes.
To be determined. But what's really nice is then you walk out. This is a mud room, so it'll be a drop zone, things like that for kids and things like that. So you walk out. This would be a backyard, and we're going to put a pool in and hot tub and things like that. What you don't see here is this is the garage structure. This garage structure will have stairs on the back here. And that hole that's up there will be a door. And so we have what they call a frog in the South. So a finished room over the garage. And so my other son wants that. And so he'll have that room. And then we'll, of course, like we have a 2-car garage underneath. So we're gonna have to make do with storage and that sort of thing. Storage is gonna be a problem here. So we're gonna do a bunch of videos on how we gain storage. That's one thing we are taking pictures of today, is where they're like just areas of free space in the house where they're hopefully, well, they might be putting a furnace in there or a water heater or something like that, right? But if they don't, we want to see how we can access it, and then we'll have to put header boards in there and things like that to make it, you know, very secure and good. But we want to use that space for different things for storage. So this will be a 2-car garage. We've always had a 3-car garage, and we've always had a tough time fitting 2 cars in a 3-car garage because we need to do a lot with storage here. If you guys have any recommendations, tips, pictures of your own garage, tell us what they are. We need advice. So give us that advice, and we're gonna see what we can do with this. Other things as well too. Tell us what you're doing with your projects. Show us what you did with some of the things in your house for gaining storage, for just maybe fancy ceilings. Maybe you did great ceilings and we need to copy them. I don't know. So give us your tips, and that's it. We'll see you next time. Thumbs up, subscribe to our videos, and keep the tips and suggestions coming.